Hey guys, today I'm gonna just show you a quick way to fix the disc tray glitch, whatever you want to call it, where it doesn't read any discs or CDs. So first off, you just wanna turn on your Xbox. Just let it load up. But mine's already fixed, so I'll just show you the way that I fixed it, okay? It kept making a little clicking noise when I closed the tray. It clicks a few times. So what I did was, just go control, let's turn out this. As you can see, it now says Call of Duty Black Ops, but what I did was I got a disc like this, it's just a normal disc, and I stuck it in the bottom here, in the disc tray bit. I stuck it in the bottom, and I pushed it all the way in till it clicked, and once it clicked, I pulled it back out, and I opened the disc tray and closed it again, and then the game just all of a sudden just started to load up again. So that's the way how to do it. That's just a try. If you want to give it a try, you can. If you don't, you don't. Thanks for listening. See you later.